guys, once again I'm here from the Top Run Mobiles with a new repair. So guys, today I'm just gonna teach you how to repair iPhone 6 LCD screen. iPhone 6 LCD screen. Before starting the repair, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please make sure you subscribe the channel below. So let's start today's repair. Hey guys, so that's iPhone 6, so we need to repair the LCD. First of all, as you know, bottom two screws we need to open it. Then with any steel or plastic rod, you just need to lift the screen. There you go, that's done. Now we will start from this part. Open LCD, take all the parts out to test the new screen, then we'll put it on. So I'll just take you to the table. Got, need to open these four parts. LCD, tripod, turn, and then disconnect the connectors. Here you go. This is so we will just test the new LCD, then we're gonna put it back. Right, that's the white.
Okay, get your roll like that. Thank you. Hello, look at it. Are you alright?
Hey God, as you can see the new LCD, so I'll just check all pattern on the screen. That's all working fine, so the screen is alright. We will just gonna assemble the screen here. So now we will start taking out the parts from the LCD. First I will start from the top, which is earpiece and the camera flex. For this phone it was already loose, so it's not taking longer. So side screws from the steel plate on the LCD. And bottom one. Here you go. Then on the other side of the LCD, steel plate, all the screws. And then the home button. Here you go. And
I'll get you a sandwich all the way back here. Alright then, cheers.
here you go. It's done. Now take the new screen. Take all these covers and stickers out. Yes. Take these labels. Take the cover out. Put the steel rod plate in here. First thing is the steel plate, which goes on the top of. And then you just fix this home button's flex here. Here you go. And now I will start putting the screws on the steel plate. First bottom one, then I will put the side ones. Make sure, guys, you don't do this at home if you're not confident enough. Plus, apologies for the noise in the market as it's Christmas. It's very busy and lot of noise. There's a British Army, Salvation Army music going on there. They're performing live here today. There you go. The steel plate is all done. Now I'll just put back the home button here. Just put slightly here. There you got. Buttons down. I'll put back the road plate on the button. One of the most quicker, easiest is the iPhone 6. Now I will put back the earpiece thing. So first I will take this cover from the top sticker. Now I'll put back the Hey God. Right. And the steel cover of the earpiece in the camera. Right. Full screen is done. Now I'll just put back on the phone. Here you got second connector, the third one, and the fourth one. Now we'll put back the steel plate on the connectors so that it won't disturb anything. Second last screw, and then the last screw of the plate. Right, I am closing the screen from the top. Here you go, that's it. We'll just try to turn on, and then about the bottom screws is coming on, guys. So it's done. So guys, today I've just shown you how to replace the iPhone 6 LCD screen. Now I'm just putting back the bottom screws. Where is the second one? There you go. There you go. Right guys, as you can see, it's all working. There you go, it's all working. All done. Right guys, so today I've just shown you how to replace the iPhone 6 LCD screen. I hope you liked the video. I hope you like the repair. If you like the repair, please like video, share it, and subscribe to the channel below. Subscribe to the channel below for more repairs. Till the new repair, bye.